Hello everybody, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the finished jewelry for the April Adornable Elements, the Hot and Trendy and 2 Whole Beads of the Month Club. It is for Swallowtail, 2 Whole Bead of the Month Club, Swallowtail Caterpillar, and the Hot and Trendy Beads, Cherries Jubilee. Before I get started, if you're not familiar with Adornable Elements, it's the Beads of the Month, I can't talk today, Beads of the Month Club. I receive 2 of them monthly, the Hot and Trendy Beads of the Month and the 2 Whole Beads of the Month. You can use the coupon code. I have BNJewelry10 to save 10% off your first order from them. I will leave a link to the code and their website below. Now, each one of these is $22.95 a month for a single one, and they also have a double one each for $39.95 per month. And they also have quite a few other subscriptions, club subscriptions as well. So definitely check out their site and use my coupon code. And before I get to the April one, I wanted to show this March one kind of fell through the cracks. So I wanted to show you these earrings that I made using the March ones. I love the way these turned out. Now I used some of my own 11.0 Miyuki seed beads, but these were the 3 that I used. So let me get this. Okay, so the first one I used is SAM57, and this is the 2 Whole Beads of the Month Pixie Dust, and it's the light gold matte Samos Parpucas, the 6 grams for $4. And then the next one was from Pixie Dust 2, the matte metallic flat triangle, TRI 24. Wait a minute. How can that be from 2 Whole Beads? Huh. It's on 2 Whole Beads, but it's only got 1 hole in it. Okay. So TRI 24. And then I used the TCP Hot and Trendy Tropical Thunder, the little luster tanzanite teacups, TCP 42. And then I just used some of my little seed beads, a few in between here and there. I'm sorry I didn't do a tutorial for these, but I just wanted to show you these. I thought these were so pretty. So yeah, so this is for March. So let me put these aside now so I don't get confused. Okay. Let me put this behind me, because if not, I will be confused. Okay. Now, for April, we have, let me see, I did a series of 8 earring tutorials. And there were there were 3 of them from Adornable Elements last month. So this wasn't in the Adornable Elements earring tutorial, but just wanted to show you. I made these. I love the way these turned out. And these I used, let me get these out. I used the Swallowtail Caterpillar 2-hole jet green yellow gem duos, and that's them right there. And it's GD85. I thought these are so pretty. So they're flat on the one side, and then so they have the little line going down in there. So this was a nice, easy little earring to make. And then next, I had a lot of fun with this. I just started working on this, and I should have made a tutorial, but I didn't. So here's the earrings, and then here is the pendant. And I had some gifted to me, some 11O Miyuki seed beads with this teal color. They're so pretty. And for this, I used BRG, the Bronze Fire Red Bridge from Cherry's Jubilee, the Hot and Trendy. And it's got the 3 holes in it. So I used that to make these. And I was gifted some of these little square beads. They were so pretty. And I loved the wash, the metallic wash on these. So, and then I used some of my Druck beads, some fire polish beads, some of, my own stuff. So I made this pendant, and then I just kind of intertwined it up and made it up to there. I used some 11O. I just thought the teal looked so pretty with the copper. And then these are the little earrings that I made. So you have, these are popping through right there. They're supposed to be popping through on the other side. Oh, there we go. Okay. So then I have these little ones here. I thought these turned out really cute. And using the bridge beads, I was able to get that look. Yeah, and I just kept kind of going and going, and then adding more teal throughout it, and I thought this turned out really pretty. I love this. I will be putting this up on my Etsy store for sale. And then I used, let me see here. Then I made, let me get this necklace flattened out here. I made this necklace, and this was a tutorial that I did. And I used the little dagger beads here. And then I used the chalk red luster dagger from the Cherry's Jubilee Hot and Trendy, DGR56. And I used GK Jet Slipperit Geckos, GK35s. So I just did that. And then I used those teal seed beads again, and some of my pink metallic ones as well. So I just kind of scattered them throughout. I'll put a link to this tutorial below, so if you'd like to see how I made this. It's, it's not fancy, but I love the look to it, it's kind of easy and just, So I have this one. I'll leave the link below to that. And then this was episode number 3. These were my wheel earrings. I will leave this link below. I love the way these turned out. I've been making these for a while. I tried this one time because I really didn't have much to do with the QDT, the Opaque Luster Picasso Quadritiles. And so I just kind of started working with the seed beads in between, and I love the way these turned out. They're so cute. So I will leave a link below to this as well. These are really easy to make. So I have those. And then this was episode number 1. And for these, so these are the earrings here. I like the way these turned out. They're so pretty. And I used, I don't know if you noticed, but I've been using the black, hypoallergenic black ear wires because I think they really finish off the earrings more than if I was to add silver or copper or something, because it just kind of extends the color all the way up so it looks a little more uniform. So I've been using the black a lot. Like if you notice, like with these, they look prettier like that, I think. So I just ordered a bunch more. So, yeah, so I made these, and I will leave a link below to this, the first tutorial. And these are, let me see, where are they at? These are Jet Green Yellow Paisley Duos from the 2 Whole Bead of the Month Club, and it's PD 85. And then the DU Lemon White Luster, DU 05. These are so pretty. So I have all those. Kind of move these as I'm working. And then this, okay, this is another one. This was episode number 6. For these, if you can kind of see when I'm laying it down. And I will leave the link below to this as well. And these I used the Swallowtail Caterpillar 2 Whole Bead of the Month Crystal Full Amber Wave WAV 37. And then I used the Swallowtail Caterpillar Jet Hematite 2 Whole Cab CAB 06. And here, let me put it on a white. Maybe you can see a little better. So I love the colors in there. It's just got that deep hematite look to it. And I added a little, just some of my own fire polish, 3mm fire polish beads, some of my black seed beads. And the fire polish beads have that AB finish on them around there. So there's like a little hint of blue in it, but not much, just a little bit. So I thought these turned out really pretty. And last but not least, I absolutely love this. And again, I wish I would have had a tutorial, but I didn't. Because, you know, I get in my room and I just start creating stuff, and before I know it, you know, I'm into something and I'm like, oh darn, I didn't turn the camera on. Let me move these aside. Yes, I love that one. So this one I made, let me get it so it's right. I made this, and I used, hold on one second. Let me get, oh, here they are. There they are. Okay. So for this, I used QDL, the Hot and Trendy, the Matte Dark Bronze Quadrilentals, QDL 06. And I pretty much did the same thing here that I did for this. But I used, these were round, and I used the teal beads, and then I brought them up, and then I just made a necklace out of it. So then I attached some wood beads, and then went between that and the teal, and then just it kind of took on a life of its own. I don't think I have any jewelry like this, so I thought this was really fun. And then I made these really cool earrings. So I ended up extending it out, and I made this earrings hoop smaller than the actual pendant for the necklace. So yeah, I'm going to be putting this up on my Etsy too. I thought these were really cool. So yeah, so I was really happy with the way these turned out. So, so that is it for the month of April, and then the one from March. So I hope you enjoyed this. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please consider doing so. I have lots of tutorials coming up and lots of fun things and projects I'm working on. And I also have links below to my Etsy, Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest. And like I said, I will leave Adornable Elements link below along with my coupon code BNJewelry10. And I will leave links to 1, 2, 3, I think there's 4 tutorials. I will leave the links below too as well. So I hope you enjoyed this, and you have a great day, and I will see you on my next video.